Hello, it's Mike from the FXPivotPoint.com, taking a look at today's action. Oh, look at this. Talk about some stop hunters. Oh, I bet there's news that Greece is getting rescued again. Okay, all right. All joking aside, how long? Let's see, will this go here? Yeah, possibly, but what's right here? 3390, and what's up here above that? That's right, a very big psychological level, 3400. Will it come up above here? Yeah, maybe. Will it come back down to the pivot point? Uh-huh. How sure am I? I'm in the 90% sure category. Don't care what this is. I haven't even looked at the news. Don't care what's causing this, other than some more stop hunters we had today on this little bullish flag. We're coming back down. So what else can we look at? Well, system fire day short for those who are following our system. Heard trading it. You definitely could have got in here, and you would have gotten out hopefully somewhere in here with the first lot. Stops to break even, and would have done fine. All right, let's go take a look at. Let's put him down there for a while. Let's go take a look at something else. The pound. There's the pound. It's doing the same thing. Remember, correlated pair. If you lay these over top of the Eurusd, you get the same thing. You get almost the exact same movement. Not the exact, but you get my meaning. You lay them over top of one another. They're correlated pairs. They move together. That's what I mean. Here, trading in the black. Fires a trade. Right there it is. And obviously, is that? No, it probably would not have hit till here. Either way, it never would have touched the stop, and you would have had another successful trade. This one, not so much. Look at the pivot point where price held all throughout the pivot point. And then look where it came down. Look where it found support. Ooh. Yep, right at S1. And look where it was deterred. Yep. Yeah, none of that's a mistake. Alright, so let's go take a look at the, I haven't looked at the dollar yen lately. Let's take a look at how, talk about choppy. Look at the chop here. I guess if you were watching the system, every one of these would have been you'd have been in the black. All right, that was a little lame joke on all of our system trades, but the chop here, just look at this. This is just no thanks. But again, on the dollar yen, let's go back to that my cool drawing tool. Look where it finds support. Yep. And look too where when a currency is below, and now will we stay above here today? I don't know. Let's see. But we're below the pivot point. You can see that, and we stayed there the whole day. All right, that's really the only thing to show you on that pair, and obviously the support here. There's not a lot going on. If you're trading right now, I'd stay away from this pair. It's just a very volatile pair right now, and I would stick to the most liquid pair. This one and this one. Oh, look, it's going up still. How long can they keep it up? Yeah, we'll see. All right, there's not much. Let's see it long term. Let's take a look at the weekly here. Look, it's trying to pull up, isn't it? It hits this 61.8, fell through. It doesn't want to come down, and it doesn't want to come down and retrace this full move. Well, time will tell, won't it? And here, let's take a look. We're on our, what are we looking? We're looking at the daily on this longer term move of the pound dollar, and we can see where it hit. I mean, it doesn't get much closer than that. Cool, thank you. Look at that. Look how close it is. And then before it comes back down. And then look at this. Maybe we've discussed this before, but every time I draw this, it's just incredible. These fibs, you put the four tools together. You put the fibs, long-term, fib, short-term, and you use pivot points, trend lines, and cycle levels. You can beat this market all the time. Look at that. Right there and then down. And look now, will we bounce again off this 38 too? If we get there? Well, you can count on it. If we get there. How about if this bullish move keeps going? Where's our first stopping point? Right at 55.90, right in there. Interesting stuff, isn't it? Alright. Well, let's take a look at one more thing before we wrap this up. We'll make this a short video tonight. It's these repeatable patterns are the same thing we look for all the time. None of this is new. This is really the same thing every day. As we're watching, what are we guessing? How long are we guessing before it comes back down to here? Will it do it by the time the video is over? All right, here we go. Will it come back down? That's a pretty poor ass drawing. Let's do that again. All right, so how long before we come back down to here? How long can they hold it up there? Be interesting. All right, not long. Not long. As a matter of fact, I doubt this survives the Asian session. Maybe. We'll see. Okay, now one more thing. Like I said, I got some prolong in this damn video, aren't I? All right, let's get down and take a look at the. I wanted to show you what we're doing in April so far. Look, we had April 1st, no trades. No fooling me. No thanks. Start off by not fooling me. Look, we're taking little trades except today. I took a few, and we can see where you're thinking, wow, where are we at a few days into April, and that's not so good. Well, actually, that's what I'm after. The first week and a half of trading, that's exactly what I'm looking for. 93% hit rate, and how about a 71% drawdown? Yeah, not so bad so far. Not so bad at all. All right, I want to do this real quick. If you're interested down the road in running a hedge fund people don't like risk. They'll tell you, I mean, Forex for them, that is their risk. They want to be in the Forex market because it's one of the most volatile, risky markets there is. But most people you're going to find are risk adverse. They'll tell you one thing but want you to do something else. So when you're trading, you really, especially if you're trading on your own, then you can do whatever you want. You can leverage your ass to the hilt, and that's fine. When they're trading other people's money, they don't want to see massive drawdown. So let's unpin this. I want to show you. Let's my custom analysis, and let's unpin this. Unpin it, and let's go back to the start of this, which January 1st. Okay, yeah, let's analyze you. Look, here's what we're doing. Not a bad return. Actually, that's an incredible return. 84% hit rate. Drawdowns, let's call it 3%. And this is what they want to see. They don't. As a matter of fact, most of them will ignore all this because they're not as interested in all that as you and I are. They want to see this. They want to see this right here. Where's my little, do I already have it there? This. See how this thing just goes up? It doesn't go up. Well, we've got a spike here. Over trading, but it went my way. They don't want to see this. They don't want to see this. And then back up here. Alright, they don't even want to see this. And then back up. This is probably as much as they want to see. And that's really enough for them. This trend line, if you're going to trade over a period of time and you're going to show your